Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed some different music type of projects like the beatbox machine. And you may have also noticed, if you scroll down a little bit further, there are some different projects that use the pen blocks. But what if you combine the two into one unique project? All right, so the project we're going to look at is called DrawMusic, and it is by Dr. Lego. So it combines the two ideas of making music and using the pen blocks to draw. So we can, draw a circle. So this is going to be the piano. And then we can do pizzicato for the eyes. And then, what do I want for the mouth? I want a steel drum. Whoop. So now when we press the green flag, my face does not sound good. But that's okay. So this is a really neat idea. You can do all sorts of other stuff on here, like you can change the tempo, which makes it go faster and slower. You can erase everything, or you can even just erase like different parts of it, like, hey, I just want to get rid of like this little part, etc. So this is a really neat idea that combines the idea of making music with the pen blocks. So if you've got a neat idea like this, make sure you comment it below so we can take a look at it, and then maybe I can turn it into a video next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.